What happens when you decide to conquer the most unforgiving mountain peaks on Earth? With a machine engineered to travel at an astonishing 281 miles per hour? This is the inside story of the CR450, the world's fastest bullet train, and the extreme engineering required to build it. To achieve these unprecedented speeds, engineers first had to tame the mountains. Standard tracks wouldn't work. The CR450 demanded perfectly straight, elevated viaducts. The foundation process required drilling deep into solid bedrock. Miles of reinforced concrete pillars were raised to support the high-speed rails. Every pillar is engineered to absorb the shockwave of a train passing at aircraft takeoff speeds. The concrete used is a proprietary blend, resistant to extreme mountain freezing. Precision is everything. A millimeter of deviation could be catastrophic at 250 miles per hour. Laser-guided alignment ensures the rails are perfectly flush across the uneven terrain. Thermal expansion joints were implemented to handle the harsh mountaintop climate. With the mountain conquered, the focus shifted to the machine that would run on it.
The CR450 is not just an upgrade. It is a complete redesign of high-speed rail.
The goal was simple but seemingly impossible. Make it faster, but use less energy.
To do this, engineers had to shed massive amounts of weight. Advanced composite materials, including carbon fiber and aerospace-grade aluminum, were utilized. The result? The CR450 is 50 tons lighter than its predecessor. That is a 10% reduction in weight, crucial for unprecedented acceleration.
But weight was only half the battle. The real enemy at 281 miles per hour is the air itself.
At these speeds, aerodynamic drag acts like a solid wall.
The solution was an elongated, needle-like nose cone.
Extended from 12.5 meters to a staggering 15 meters, it slices through the atmosphere.
They didn't stop there. The entire roofline was lowered by 20 centimeters.
The bogies, the wheel assemblies underneath, were completely enclosed to stop air turbulence. Combined, these innovations dropped total aerodynamic drag by a massive 22%. With the body perfected, it was time to install the beating heart of the CR450. A brand new water-cooled, permanent magnet traction system provides the thrust.
This system is not only incredibly powerful, but also highly energy efficient.
It allows the CR450 to accelerate from 0 to 217 miles per hour in just 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
That is nearly 100 seconds faster than any previous high-speed model. But going fast means nothing if you cannot stop safely.
Engineers developed a state-of-the-art braking system to drastically shorten stopping distances.
To ensure maximum safety, the train was equipped with a central nervous system.
Over 4,000 onboard sensors were embedded throughout the chassis and mechanics. These sensors monitor structural health, temperature, and vibration in real time.
If a fraction of a millimeter is off, the system knows instantly.
Next came the challenge of passenger comfort at extreme speeds.
At 281 miles per hour, wind and track noise can be deafening.
Integrated composite acoustic panels were specifically designed to block high-frequency vibrations. Despite the speed, cabin noise has been reduced by 2 decibels. By optimizing the wall thickness, service space was actually increased by 4%. After years of engineering, the prototypes, the CR450 AF and BF, were ready to roll out.
Testing began at the famous Ring Railway in Beijing. Here, engineers pushed the structural integrity of the lightweight frame to its limits. With initial tests passed, it was time for the real-world operational evaluation. The prototypes were moved to the Chongqing-Xiamen and Shanghai-Chongqing-Chengdu corridors. The goal: establish the official technical system for 249 miles per hour commercial operations. Then came the ultimate test of structural integrity, the head-on passing test. They routinely tested passing speeds of up to 556 miles per hour, combined relative speed.
The CR450 absorbed the shockwave effortlessly, proving its immense stability.
The aerodynamic design and enclosed bogies performed exactly as simulated.
Data from the 4,000 sensors poured in, validating the safety parameters. The final stages of safety and operational assessments are currently underway.
Meanwhile, the mountaintop infrastructure to support this beast nears completion. Once commercially launched, the CR450 will drastically cut travel times across the country. Journeys that once took days will be reduced to a matter of hours. It is a masterclass in merging lightweight materials with raw electromagnetic power. The CR450 Innovation Project has pushed the boundaries of conventional rail. With design finalization in its absolute final stages, the rollout is imminent. The world's fastest conventional train is ready to reshape transportation. The active suspension system counteracts the extreme G-forces on the curves. Every component is designed for quick maintenance and ultimate durability. The thermal management system operates flawlessly under the harshest conditions. Operating a machine this fast requires pilots with lightning-fast reflexes and advanced training. Advanced forward-looking radar scans the track miles ahead for any obstructions. The use of carbon fiber represents a massive leap in railway manufacturing.
It offers twice the strength of steel at a fraction of the weight.
Forging these pieces requires massive heat and intense precision. Crosswinds on mountain peaks can be deadly, but the CR450 slices right through them.
The permanent magnet motor is a masterclass in modern electrical engineering. This increases power density while drastically cutting energy consumption.
It is the secret behind the jaw-dropping 4-minute and 40-second acceleration time.
It maintains a flawless electrical connection despite the violent forces of extreme speed. For those on the ground, the sheer power of the passing train is awe-inspiring.
But inside, Passengers will feel as though they are gliding on glass. The 2 decibel reduction in noise creates a remarkably serene environment.
The final product is a testament to thousands of hours of relentless innovation. The CRRC Corporation has created a true flagship initiative. This train is designed to dominate the world's most extensive high-speed rail network. With official technical systems established, the era of 249 miles per hour travel is here. Shorter braking distances mean a safer journey, even at extreme velocities. Every cable and pillar was reinforced to handle the massive kinetic energy of the CR450. The harmonic resonance of the bridge perfectly dampens the train's impact. Real-time health monitoring ensures the train is always in peak condition. Real-time health monitoring ensures the train is always in peak condition.
The transition into full commercial service will redefine global travel standards.
As the commercial launch approaches, the world watches in anticipation. The enclosed bogies protect the vital mechanics from extreme environmental hazards.
The scale of the underground Pentagon dwarfs any previous endeavor. Using the massive tunnel boring machine, they carve out the future of national defense.
Built by the strongest hands, guided by the sharpest minds. The ultimate display of high-speed structural integrity. 453 kilometers per hour, 281 miles per hour, the pinnacle of speed. The CR450. Lighter, faster, smarter. Aerodynamic perfection achieved through relentless engineering.